In this video, we are going to be looking at DTE, which is for DTE energy. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue pushing to the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is $140, taking us to 142, so kind of that key range of resistance. And we can see this is where the 52-week high also is, and then we started to pull back. So really do be noting that 140 to 142. Now, if we break that, then we're looking at 146, 150, 153, and then final levels would take us to around $159 and $167 as key resistance levels. But really the key focus would be this 140 to around 142. And one thing I do want to note, if we go into a longer term time frame, we do expect, as of right now, DTE to continue pulling back, at least for the time being. We can see it did become a bit overbought on the 20-day chart, and that's why we started pulling back around this 136, as that is our second deviation on the 20-day. And so now we would expect a continuation pullback to at least $133, and then if it's going to continue up, this is probably the level it will start increasing from. So seeing that, we can then go back to the longer term time frames and start looking at key support levels. As of right now, we have a support level at 133, which is also our statistical mean on the 6-month chart, and we did say that was also the 20-day support level. So again, we will start pulling back to this level, even if we are going to continue up higher. So as of right now, that is our closest support level. If we continue lower, we're looking at $126, taking us lower to 120, 118, 113, 110, and then final levels at 106 and $101. So as of right now, though, what are the key levels that we would be paying attention to? So if you expect a continuation upwards, the key resistances would be 140 to around 142. But before we make that move, we expect a pullback to at least $133. Now, on the other hand, if you're expecting a move to the downside, we want to see a break back below this 133, come back to retest it as resistance, and then really we would be looking for a move down to at least $126. But if the overall markets continue weak, even though this is an energy company, usually the overall stocks will still kind of continue down. So over time, we should still expect a push back to this 120, 118, taking us nearer to the recent low created. Anyway, that is the breakdown on DTE. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.